Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show the new option in creating stock with the option of stock size. Now, what stock size actually does, it gives you the actual size of the dimensions of the part for the stock. For example, if I were to click on stock size and click on the part, the values that you see here is the actual size of the stock. So now if you have specific size stocks inside your machine shop, you can see exactly what you have here and adjust it to exactly what your stock size is in your machine shop. For example, if I see this value and I say to myself, okay, the stock size that I have or I can cut is at 170, I put the value of 170. If the Y value, I find that in my machine shop I have already 130, I'll put the value of 130. And I can work, by the way, in metric and inch and combine the two together. If, for example, in my Z, I have a stock that is 30 millimeters, I'll put the value of 30 millimeters. And you can see the stock has automatically resized itself according to the actual stock size. Now, as far as placement over the part, this is automatically placed equally on each side. And we have this shown over here. Now, if, for example, in this particular case, and let's take a side view for a moment, the Z, I only want this to be 1 millimeter above this instead of equally placed. So I'll go to the Z plus, change this to 1 millimeter. When that happens, the entire stock will move down. I have my exact stock size and placed exactly where I want it. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.